Alright guys, we're here back again in my grandma's garage. We're working on a Chrysler 2000 V6. Put in a new water pump. Took out the timing belt, did the timing marks. We're gonna put the new water pump on it right now. What else? There's all the old stuff. There's a belt tensioner. I have to buy a new one. There's a new one with the clip. There's an old water pump. The balancer puller, everything.
That's a new one right here.
Got a new water pump. That's about it.
You know, people be making these videos saying, you know, how complicated this.
It's not really complicated.
Honestly, it's not even really complicated.
Nah, as long as you mark your timing marks, you'll be alright. That's what I did right now. You see the little whiteouts? I marked the whiteouts on the timing marks. But make sure you do the timing, and then you mark it and take your belt off. And here's a belt over here.
The belt's over there. Yeah. Easy ass shit, man.
I marked the belt, so just put it back on. That's it.
Easy stuff. But those are the brand new radiator fans.
Oh yeah, it's on the radiator fans too.
Not bad. Not bad.
Brand new. Where's the broken ones at? On the car. Right?
The broken ones are in the car, but
yeah. Anyways,
other than that. Alright. Alright, go ahead and start putting it in.
Let's see. Gotta get the bolts. Let me get my bolts. Alright guys, put the water pump right now. Let me get the bolts real quick. Get the bolts. Put the bolts in here. Put the bolts in here. Which one's the last one? Top, the bottom one here. All the bolts are different sizes.
Oh yeah, some are short.
Yeah, some are long, some are short.
I always match the fucking bolts. Always. People just grab the bolts and start throwing them.
Yeah.
Put them onto one side, and then when they put them on, they don't even know where to go, or start hitting the block, and you're like, what the hell? And so that's how you strip stuff. You know, people don't know nothing. But we do.
Yeah, it's not the hard guys. We're easy.
I mean, even the caveman can do it. Cavemen. But yeah, anyways.
Yeah, that's about it.
It's been a while since we did a video,
yeah.
but you know, this is what we do on our spare time.
Yeah, some bolts are short and some bolts are long. So make sure you're putting the right ones. You put the right one, you're gonna strip them. It takes time, but you get it done right.
Alright, I'm gonna make another video once it's done,
Yeah.
and I'll come back up in a little bit.